Hey everyone, Tony Winston for Jazz Piano College. I'm playing the song Sweet Georgia Brown, and I'm not really playing the melody because they will hit me with that copyright thing. So I was improvising on it, staying fairly close to the melody, and the chart is down there in the description if you would like to play the melody the way it's supposed to be played. It's a good song for beginners because you see it stays on each chord for like 4 measures in a lot of the songs. So let's take a look at the first chord, D 7th, and just play a D major scale, but don't play the C sharp because it's a dominant chord. And remember about what's the most important note in typical old school jazz is that flat 5, right? If we were doing Take the A Train, right there is that flat 5. So we want to use that a little bit. And you have a little passing tone there. Lots of places you can put that in, but a good place on a dominant 7th chord is between the root and the 7th. Let's do the same thing on G. So yeah, use that little passing tone and the flat 5. I'll do the same thing on C. Then we get to our key of F. Let's use our happy sounding blues scale there. And I like the nice old-fashioned C augmented there. I didn't even put the 7th in, I just kind of went back and forth like that. And really that chord doesn't need to be there. You could just play F 7th, but you need this little 2-5-1 going to D 7th. I like a minor 7 flat 5, but it certainly doesn't have to be. Now, for the left hand, just root position chords like that. Leave out, they're all dominant chords, so leave out the 5th. Just play the root, 3rd, and 7th. And use any kind of blues licks that you know in that key. You could go stuff like that, and then G. All right, so on the 2-5-1, I'm going to D. I just did the D blues scale. And my rhythm is like 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. I think they call that the Charleston Rhythm. But if you're playing steady 8th notes, it's 1 and 2 and 3. So you play 3 8th notes, and then hit that chord on the 4th 8th note, no matter what you're doing. Just do a scale to learn how to do it. That's what I did when I learned how to do this. I went. And then tried to put in a lot of offbeats. All right, let's get to the end here. We've got D minor. And notice there's no 7th on that one. The 7th, of course, would sound fine, but without it, maybe you have more freedom.
You got your freedom
to go like the major seventh there, and the minor seventh, and the sixth, and whatever you want. So maybe D minor, A seventh, like that, I guess. And then here I like the descending chords like this. So start with F6, then you have the same note on top, and go right on down. And don't worry about trying to match up every chord to some appropriate scale. Just play something cool on F. Let's do like just using that happy blues scale. I guarantee it's going to work. How about, I'll try that. It's like magic. It really is, the way the blues scale just fits. And then we've got a little 2-5-1. And, 2-5-1's typically a minor seventh, a dominant seventh, and then the one chord, which could be major or minor, or dominant. So, and the 2 can be changed to a dominant. So we got G seventh, that's just the guide tones, that's the 3rd and the 7th. And then C seventh, that's the 7th and the 3rd. And then F seventh, 3rd and 7th. And you don't have to think about it because you're just going down like that. And once again, the blues scale will be fine. Now, supposedly, liking and subscribing helps the channel, but also leaving a comment supposedly is very, very effective. So just, say hi or anything you want to write down there, be greatly appreciated. And I do read all the comments. So thanks, everyone, and I'll see you again real soon right back here.